Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. This is a very quick video. It's about how to trace and I'm going to draw a cartoon dog. So starting with the materials, on this table we have a piece of paper, which is just a cheap thin piece of white paper, a piece of tracing paper, a pencil, I'd recommend HB, a ruler, pencil sharpener and another pencil sharpener, an eraser made from putty. The reason I've got two pencil sharpeners is I'm a particular fan of the Helix pencil sharpener, but I have seen some comments that it does make a very sharp point and that isn't suitable for young children. So that's why I've also included a normal pencil sharpener. So using my pencil, I'm making up this cartoon dog drawing. It's very simple. You can draw one too if you want. This is just to demonstrate how to trace. So it's a line drawing. I'm just deciding where to put the eye and the nose and the ear. And now I've given it a smile. Now I've put the tracing paper over the dog and I can see the lines through the paper. I'm sure you can too. And I'm drawing over the lines that I can see beneath. Once I've done this, my tracing will only be half complete. It depends whether I want the dog to look forwards or backwards. So if I turn the paper over once, the tracing paper over once, you can see the outline of the dog and I can go around it with my pencil on the reverse. But as you can see, once you take the tracing paper away, and you'll see before then, the dog is actually facing the wrong way. In some cases, this wouldn't matter. In the next drawing, we'll be drawing the dog to face the same way as the original, the first one in the top left. We drew once on the top of the tracing paper, turned it over, drew on the back, and now we have to turn it over again to draw on the top. It's as though you're drawing the dog for the first time. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.